Hey folks, I just got in my new 20-inch Harley Davidson windshield for my brand new Road King. Really excited. I'm gonna open it and install it. My first time seeing it also. Let's see what it looks like. Secured it pretty well. Alright, it's partly assembled. There it is. Bring it closer. There it is. Nice and tall. Mine right here. In order to mount the windshield onto the 2020 Road King, we're going to need this kit. So there's the slotted rubberized washer that allows for quick removal. These are T40s, we'll remove these first. These are Loctited in. So my trick is to move the screw back and forth until the Loctite loosens up. And it does, eventually. So you don't strip the screws. Once they're loose, you can use the power tool. Those. This one I've taken apart before, so. According to the manual, we're going to be replacing the torque screw with these double threaded stud. And the part that has the yellow Loctite here is the part that's going into the headlight nacelle. According to the manual instructions, we're supposed to thread these on. These nuts on. And then tighten them. This is a 1/2 inch, and just keep tightening them in. That's how we thread them in, because there's no, it seems like there's any other easy way. They seem to get easier as we get closer and closer in. Nice. Windshield's on. That was really easy. There's these clips that you can open up to take them off. So, that was a very easy upgrade.